Hi, my name is Wendy Tanner, sales representative at Remax Escarpment. Welcome to our newest Grimsby listing at 16 Concord Place.
Hi, I'm Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. This condo is directly across the street from Grimsby Beach. Let's take a closer look around at what this condo has to offer.
Thank you for visiting us today at the beautiful Aquazul Condo in Grimsby. We hope you enjoyed the pictures and the video from the safety of your home.
If you'd like to live across the street from the lake, please call us. We're Mark and Wendy. We can be reached at 905-512-1846.